Okay, here we are in Lincoln's garage. We're working on a 2012 Kia Sorento. We need a transmission fluid sensor replaced. Let's get this in the air. Oh,
this must pop off.
These ones are not exactly screws. They're like, yeah.
Well, mine must have been stripped. It didn't come out that easy.
Yeah, as long as you
Don't press too hard.
Yeah, just gentle. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, once these are out a little bit, then you can yank them out.
Okay. This is a great sit-up, Bishop.
Got another one hidden under here holding it in.
How are you supposed to get that?
Well, let's see.
You got the right man for the job.
That's a bad engineering design.
Yeah, it's underneath the bumper right here. You gotta see that right there. I'm gonna borrow Nate's. Thanks, Nate, for letting me borrow your tools.
I got it. Got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Same one there.
Same thing over here.
There's that.
That's the cover right there that we need to get at. This one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Are you kidding?
Nope.
Well, this frame's in the way or whatever this is.
Drain plug right here, conveniently located to
Splash off the frame. I'll check it out.
All right, let's see how pretty this fluid is when it comes out.
I'm gonna collect me a little bit. I want to see how dirty it is.
Oh yeah, all right.
Just compared to the new.
Go for
it. Yeah.
Got a little bit of stuff on the magnet here. Let's clean this off.
It's like a square fitting.
Yeah. And when I pull that out.
Oh my gosh, there's all kinds of bolts.
Is this a 10? Yeah, it's a 10. Might be able to get that with this. That'll get to a point where I'm gonna have to stick my arms way up in there.
Yeah, I don't like the top ones.
All right, do we have to pull off this cover? Yeah. See it or touch it. One of the two.
Do you like working on cars?
It's not bad. It can be a pain in the butt sometimes, and sometimes it's really no fun.
Nice.
Let's put these bolts with this cover.
We should have probably looked at a picture.
Of the sensor?
Yeah. Where is it?
That's that one right there. Right there, yeah.
Maybe your forceps.
Yeah.
You're gonna try fingers first?
Yeah. You know, as soon as I put my face under there, I'm gonna get a drip on it.
Work with us, baby. Come on, it's just coming out like you're supposed to.
From the side here.
Or do you want to take the bolt off and then try to get the clip? Because then it might pull out of the hole and you can see it better.
Or I can just unplug it.
What?
Or I can just unplug it.
And you did?
Yeah.
Well, alrighty. I'm just trying to brainstorm. You're just trying to get at it. Okay, so now we need the bolt.
This might work.
Okay.
If I go at it from this side here. There we go.
Nice work, buddy. Oh, I like that sound. First time working on a Kia?
Can't remember. Rented a couple.
Do we need to put a little oil on this gasket?
Yeah, we want to have it
Lube it?
lubed so it'll go in. There's the temperature sensor.
Let's see. It's the right part.
And all of a sudden now that released vacuum, and now we're
A little more.
dripping some more fluid. Get a little bit of oil on it from my dripping stream. Here we go. Let's see. Right. Actually, come right here.
Okay. Oh, I went right under it. I felt it all the way down my neck. What in the world was I thinking?
It's huge.
I'll take a shower. Is that good?
Yeah, right there. Perfect. All right, now I just need to put the bolt back in, and this thing's.
Okay, let me grab the bolt.
There we go. Ugh. You can see it, or you can touch it.
Do you want to go up higher so you can get under there better?
It's just a matter of getting my hands in there.
I know, but if you can stand up under there,
I can put my
you won't
hands
have
in.
to crouch.
Or I could get the bolt in there, or, oh wait, almost. Ah, nope, I know.
Forceps.
Yeah. And
I can take those.
thanks. Okay, that's in. Plug it in, plug it in.
John,
Yeah.
we still got to get a new gasket on.
Oh, on this thing?
Yeah, unless you're thinking the old one's okay.
Let's take a look. Still not going in.
Oh, that sounded good. Okay, here's the gasket that's on it. Looks like it's, oh, it slides in sideways. If you don't think we need to, I don't.
Oh, that rubber feels totally flexible.
It looks good.
Oh, it feels totally flexible and it's good.
I'd rather
Yeah.
skip it if we can.
Yeah. Wasn't leaking before, it's still flexible rubber, so I would say this is probably
It's 47.82 I can get back.
47 for that gasket?
Yeah,
Holy.
$28.
Yeah, definitely return that. Oh man. $47.
Yeah. It was cheaper than the sensor. The sensor was 30. I mean, more expensive than the sensor.
Man.
But yeah, the rubber looks good just visually. It's not
Yeah.
all cracked and brittle.
Yeah. All right, let's put this guy back together.
Now, how do we fill it and know that we've got the right amount of fluid in? There's no dipstick.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. There's going to be some instructions online on how to do that. Let's check the owner's manual. Do you have the owner's manual in the glove box? Mm-hmm. That might have a way to do it, or it might just say, "Go see your dealer. Your dealer will do everything for you, including." Yeah, on these it helps to get all the bolts started threading before you tighten any one of them down.
And then you have to be careful not to over tighten the screws on these gaskets.
You can feel when the case stops, and then you just go hand tied. I mean, you don't want to crank it down real hard
And
because
squish the gasket.
you can press the gasket till the case bottoms out, and the gasket is designed to just stop when the cover and the transmission case meet, so they touch all the way. It's not like the old style gaskets where it goes between them. 24?
Yep, seems right.
Thanks, Nate. Yeah, that kind of looks like a fell port. You ready to catch? Mm-hmm. All right.
Yeah, this is empty. So.
Okay.
Okay, watch out, watch out.
Sorry about that. Okay, tell me when to put this plug back in.
Wait, where is it? Can't see the fluid.
Can't see the fluid, let me plug it.
No, it's not. Oh. Crap! Yep, plug it. This funnel's not good enough for it. It's not good enough. Plug it.
Dang it.
It can't handle.
The flow rate?
Nope.
I made a mess of it.
Yeah, we'll have to.
Okay, you ready?
Wait, where am I gonna put? Okay, I'm gonna try to catch the.
Right in
Okay, but I'm not gonna. It's hard to see the.
Oh, do you want a light to go on?
Yeah, a light would be great. Well, we'll just go on the side. Oh crap! It doesn't work. Okay, let's.
Tell me when.
I'm almost at 2. Hold on. Okay, let's be done.